Hi folks, Luca, Sharper Trades. The market did a pullback today. As you can see, broke below this mid channel, this rising line, and dipped below the 50 SMA. 443.81 was the bounce, was the low of the day, and still close below the 50 simple, the moving average. And if this is the channel, this falling channel or flag, we hit the top and now it's going down. So I'm looking for a test of 442. Any break below that, the next support is 436 and 431. Today, the main culprit was Apple. Apple down 4% and a bad move. So this one filled the gap almost a couple of weeks ago. There was earnings disappointing, got a drop down to 173, got a good bounce. However, filled the gap and now went lower. The headlines today were related to two major markets, the Chinese market, primarily the Chinese government prohibiting the employees. Let me look it up correctly. China banned government officials from using Apple devices. That's the first one, big one. The second one from the EU Commission designating Apple as one of its 6 gatekeepers, which will place it under a regulatory microscope. So not good news abroad. So that's a big deal. Now we saw volume increase, downward volume increase, got a bounce of 181. That's the level to watch. Any break below that, this one is going to head lower to test. 177, 173.60, looks like a short. And then below that, 170 and 166. Yeah, don't like the look of that. To turn around, it needs to first come back above the 50 and then break above 191. This one looks problematic. And if it resumes the downtrend, it's going to affect the market overall. So careful. All right, folks, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow.